Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is in Warfare. So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing one right here, and basically what this is Electronic Muscle Stimulator. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. So I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like before I actually test it out. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you definitely see the actual part right here, but let's take this part out. Alright, so once you guys take off that part, you're going to see there's a bunch of more stuff inside right here. So they brought you guys a very nice little baggie to actually hold everything together. And right here they brought you guys one of the holder that actually stick the actual pad on here once you guys finish using the actual sticky part. So you definitely use this side and also the other side as well. And next to right here, they brought you guys the sticky part right here that you guys actually stick onto your body or wherever you guys want to use it to actually give you guys that electric massage. And then here is the next one right here. So this one is different than the other one. The other one that I just showed you guys just now is like a circle design. Where for this one here is like a rectangle design. So it basically works the same way. And this one that we got right here is a different shape as well. So this one right here is more like a square shape. And we see in the bottom right there, there's a bunch of more cables as well. So here is the first cable right here. And here is the second one. I believe the other one that I just showed you guys just now and this one right here is the same thing. So if I put it side by side, you can definitely see that it is the same thing. But for this cable that we got right here, it is different. This one here is a USB to USB-C cable. So I'm assuming you guys actually plug this onto the actual product to actually recharge it. And then right here, they provide guys a holder. So you can probably put the product inside right here to actually hold it in place. And then last but not least, we have the user manual right here to teach you guys how to set up the product and also how to use as well. And that is basically everything that's included in the product right here. So now let's take a look at the actual product right here. If you can see on top right here, we do have the brand logo right here. And there's a bunch of buttons on here. If you guys turn on the side right here, they do have a plus and minus button on here. And on the top right here, we have an A and B slot for you guys to actually plug in the cable. So if you guys want to use both options, you definitely can. And then basically for the bottom part right here, is where you can plug in the cable to actually recharge the actual product. And if you guys turn on the other side right here, they have another plus and minus as well. So I'm assuming for this side right here, you guys want to use it to adjust like the A option. And then the other side right here is for B. But let's turn it on to show you guys what it actually looks like first before I actually test it out. So you basically want to press on the power button right here first. So once you guys turn it on, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So definitely a lot of different options on here. And then top right here, they show you guys the battery life on here. And for this part right here, they mention how there's a total of 24 different modes on here that you can choose from. And if you can see right here, they do give you guys a timer option available as well. So if you guys want to change it, you basically want to press on T right here. So the maximum is 90 minutes. If you guys want to select which mode you guys want to use, you guys can basically use the arrow keys on the bottom. Alright, so definitely select whatever you guys want. And once you guys decide on which one you want to use, you basically want to press on the build button right here. And then basically the product starts working. But because we don't have anything plugged in right now, we can't actually use it. So before I actually test this out, let me actually plug in a cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So I basically want to plug in a cable in the bottom part right here. Alright, so we got it plugged in. If you can see it on part right here, it shows you guys that it is charging. So that is how you guys know when it's actually charging right here. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, all the light will actually stay on. But now I'm going to plug in the cable to show you guys how to use it first. So for this test, I'm going to use the square one right here. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the rectangle option or the circle option, that is up to you guys. But I do want to actually use this one right here. And for this test, I'll probably just use two of them to actually try it out first. And definitely when you guys use the product, you guys want to make sure that you guys have this ready on the side. So that way you guys actually take off the pad and put it on here. So I'm going to take out one of the cables right here first. And I basically want to insert it inside right here. Once we do that, you guys want to insert the other side onto the actual two products. So one right here. And the other one right here. And once you guys do that, you basically want to actually put it onto your arm or wherever you guys want to use this. So just for this test, I'm going to probably put it on my arm to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you guys want to peel it out and just put it onto your arm wherever you guys want to use it. So I'll probably put it somewhere around here. And just stick it on. And you basically want to stick on the other one as well. So just stick it on just like this. Once you guys have it on, this is what it actually looks right here. So once you guys are ready, you guys want to select what you guys want to use. And you guys want to increase the intensity level on the side right here. So it's going to be hard for me to show you guys what's on the screen and also this at the same time. But I'm actually testing it out, increase the intensity level on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'll slowly bring it up. So right now I can definitely feel like the electricity like going through my arm right here. I can even feel it on this part right here as well. If you guys want to increase the intensity level on here, you definitely can. So if you guys see my finger right here, I'm not actually doing that. That is basically the electric wave that is actually sending through my arm to actually do that. So I'm going to turn it back down. But you can see it definitely does work to help you guys relieve any kind of pain throughout your arm, your shoulder, or wherever you guys want to use it. So when you guys are done using it, you basically want to turn it off. And once you guys turn it off, you basically want to peel this part out and just stick it onto this part here. So just like this. Same thing for other one as well. So once you guys put it on here, then you guys are basically all set and you guys are all done. If you guys want to use it somewhere else, like maybe on your leg or your shoulder or your back, you can definitely stick this on there as well. But definitely if you guys want to use it for like your lower back or something, you probably want to use the bigger option, like the rectangle option. But if you do want to use like the square option right here or the circle option, you definitely can as well. That is up to you guys. And basically on one full charge on this part right here can give you guys up to 40 hours of usage on here. But that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Now to come boxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part, we definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you're trying to look for an electric muscle stimulator to actually help you guys relieve any pain and also help you guys massage throughout your body, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.